A dog has no use for fancy cars or big homes or designer clothes. A waterlogged stick will do just fine. A dog doesn't care if you're rich or poor, clever or dull, smart or dumb. Give him your heart, and he'll give you his.
That's the scoreboard, just the fastest, most reliable network. Get that right, Graham. When you compare, there's no comparison.